Oops. Hey, so we're going to keep thinking about division story problems. They messed this up. They said Miss Rowan, they meant Miss Carr, but we'll let them get away with that. Miss Carr has 6 tables. I'm going to circle that in her classroom. She has 24 students. If she divides the students evenly among the tables, how many students will sit at each table? So let's go ahead and read this again and make sure that we understand what the important information is. Miss Rowan has 6 tables. I already circled that. She has 24 students. If she divides the students evenly among the tables, how many students will sit at each table? How many students will sit at each table? In a division problem, you always start with something that you're splitting up. Then you either know how many groups you have. That's what we have in this case. We know that we have 6 groups of students at tables, and we're trying to figure out how many students are in each group. So the equation is going to be 24 divided by the number of tables, 6, equals how many students at each table. So there are 6 tables, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this array shows 1, 2, 3, 4 students at each table. So the answer to this problem is 4. And because we know our multiplication facts, we know that 6 times 4 equals 24. So it asks us to drag the ovals to show students at each table. So that means that we're going to have 6 of these, right? Each table, there are 6 tables. Here we are. So there's 4 students at each table. We figured out how many were in the group. Let's see what the next problem is. Teresa has 24 stickers in her sticker book. Each page holds 6 stickers. How many pages does her sticker book have? Let's go ahead and read that again. So she has 24 stickers. Here's the whole, the thing that we're dividing. Each page holds 6 stickers. This time we know how many are in the group. We don't know the pages. We don't know how many pages there are. The pages are the number of groups. So we're going to go ahead and fill in the equation. The equation is 24, again, divided by 6. But this time we know the number in the group. We don't know how many pages there are. So there's 6 stickers on each page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stickers on each page. And that means there are 1, 2, 3, 4 pages. So this time, instead of going across, we need to make these rubber band things go up and down. That's 1, 2, move that guy over, 3, and 4. So now we show that we have 4 pages with 6 stickers on each page. 4. Um, Kylie drew these arrays to show the table and sticker problems. So here we're showing exactly the same thing that we just did. This one, 4 in each row for the students at each table. There are 6 rows, 1 for each table. Table 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 24 tiles for the 24 students divided into 6 tables equals 4 students. Here, the circles go the other way because we started off knowing how many were in each group, but we had to figure out how many groups there were. So how are the problems different? Well, we know that one of them is how many groups, and the other one we're trying to figure out is how many are in each group. We just figured that out. We wanted to know how many students were at each table. That's how many are in each group. And we figured out that Teresa has 4 pages in her sticker book so that she can put 6 stickers on each page. I'd like for you to go ahead and work on your student book. You have a couple of slides from this slide deck. The first one looks like this. You should read these problems, and then drag these into the right spot. This is a Venn diagram. So Miss Allen had 32 paper clips. She gave each student 8 paper clips. How many students received paper clips? And Miss Allen found 32 more paper clips. She shared the paper clips with 4 students. How many paper clips did each student get? So what you're going to do is decide whether or not each one of these relates only to A or only to B, or if it relates to both. And then you can type your own ideas on these two and drag them on to the Venn diagram. The other problem that you're going to solve um, is really just examining these 2 problems and figuring out which of these descriptions describes this one and this one. So what are each of these students doing? Then you are going to work on your student book pages. Golly, I forgot which page. Let's see. It's pages 100. 166, 167, and 168. And that's our math lesson for today.